So I don't know if there's anything else you want to tell us about your weekend, or an update from Seth, or anything like that, Gilda, before we get into the questions.
Yes, going back to the sardines, because I understand.
Yeah. Right.
I understand that you don't know how to eat sardines.
No, clearly. Yes. See, what I would do, I would get that, you know, the stainless steel net that you put the fish in. I would get that, and I would be sprinkling salt and pepper and brushing them with olive oil, and then putting them on the coals. Now, as it stands, I mean, you look quite disgusted by that, and I imagine my Portuguese neighbours will be looking out of their windows, going, "Can't believe this guy coming over here and destroying sardines like that. What should I be doing?"
No pepper.
Okay, no
Stop
pepper.
with the pepper.
Stop with
just
the pepper.
Salt.
Step away from the pepper pot.
Okay, just salt. Okay.
Yes.
And then, first of all, when you put the light, you know, the fire, you need to put the peppers. Okay.
Oh,
so the peppers are the first thing. You need to grill the peppers.
Yes.
Okay. And then you take the peppers and you put the sardines. In the meanwhile, someone needs to cut the peppers in little strings, okay?
Yes.
And cut with the little cubes of garlic. And then in the peppers, you put a little bit of olive oil, salt.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you just eat the sardines in a slice of bread.
Papa seco.
With not a pap seco. It's like a pão alentejano. You do nothing about this. The more you say, the less you know.
This is a bit embarrassing, honestly.
It's like a pão alentejano, okay?
Yeah.
Those
okay. Drier bread. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put the sardine there, you put the peppers aside, and someone likes with potatoes also. And that's it.
Oh, okay. I daren't say what sort of potatoes. I'm not going to even guess. Just boiled potatoes?
No, it can be just boiled potatoes.
Yeah, okay. All right.
And then with the tomato and lettuce salad.
And a glass of wine, possibly?
Yes, and a glass of wine.
Crispy whites. Are you going with a Vinha Verde at this time of year with the sardines? Is that the perfect accompaniment?
Yes, it can. Mm-hmm.
Wow. That was really quite difficult for me this morning, but I'm glad. I take it on the chin. My ignorance exposed brutally. But now every time I step anywhere near a sardine or a barbecue, I'll remember this. So thank you for that, Gilda. And I think we should extract this from the show as the ultimate cooking guide to sardines. That time when Carl got shown how to cook sardines on the Good Morning Portugal show. Thank you very much.